So your roof is completely prepared and you're ready to begin installing the asphalt shingles. But where do you start? The first row of shingles you need to install are called the Starter Strip Shingles. And this is a very important first row because their main role is to lock down the edges of the entire roof. And getting this part wrong can lead to a lot of problems down the track. And we've actually seen a few mistakes made in this area. So it is important to get this right. Let's go and take a look and see how to properly install the Starter Strip Shingles. The Starter Strip Shingles perform two very important roles in your overall roofing system. Yet on a completed roof, you can't actually see them. This is because they're installed under the first row of your roof shingles, around the entire perimeter of your roof. The first and most important function they serve is to add a waterproof barrier beneath the butt joints of the first row of roof shingles. This is why it is important when you begin installing the starter strips that you offset the joins by at least 100mm to the joins of the roof shingles. Then drive in at least 4 to 5 nails into each strip. So for any water that seeps between the joins of a roof shingle, there is a full starter strip beneath it to catch the water and direct it into the gutter. Now, unfortunately, the importance of the starter strip shingle is often overlooked, and on occasion some fail to install them correctly, or worse still, they use an inferior product in its place. Now, the problem with using the wrong product is that they may not have a properly positioned adhesive to lock them in place. The starter strip shingles we are using on this house are GAF's Weather Blocker. Now, Weather Blocker is a premium starter strip shingle. They're complete with GAF's Dura adhesive that you can see here. And this is a market-leading adhesive that truly locks down your shingles right around your roof. The second important function of the starter strip is that they provide an additional row of Dura adhesive. This significantly helps prevent shingle blow-off in extreme wind conditions. On this home, we are setting the starter strip row back about 40 to 50mm from the drip edge. By doing this, it allows the adhesive of the top roof shingle to adhere directly onto the drip edge. This truly locks down the edges of each shingle. So now we have added that additional waterproof layer and completely locked down the roof shingles along the entire perimeter of the roof. Once complete, we can now begin installing the GAF Timberline roof shingles.